Hello and welcome to our PMP Exam Preparation Course. In this course, we're going to dive deep into the knowledge and skills you need to pass the PMP exam and excel as a project manager. And let's begin by discussing our course objectives. By the end of this course, you will be able to 1. Master core concepts. Understand and apply the fundamental principles of project management as defined by PMI. We'll cover everything from the traditional PMBOK guide principles to agile and hybrid methodologies. 2. Navigate the exam content outline. Familiarize yourself with the 3 key domains of the PMP exam: people, process, and business environment, and learn how questions are structured around these areas. 3. Develop exam strategies. Gain insights into effective study techniques, time management, and exam day strategies so you can confidently tackle different question types, whether they're situational, ITO-based, or formula-driven. Apply real-world scenarios. Learn through practical examples and case studies that demonstrate how project management theories and tools are applied in real-life situations. 5. Prepare for your PMP journey. From meeting eligibility requirements to understanding the application and fee structure, we'll guide you through every step of the PMP certification process. Now, let's take a look at the course structure. This course is organized into several modules to ensure you get a comprehensive understanding of everything needed to succeed on the PMP exam. Here's a quick overview. Module 1, Project Management Fundamentals. We start with the basics, reviewing project management definitions, the project lifecycle, and an introduction to both predictive and agile approaches. Module 2, the people domain. This module covers leadership, team management, conflict resolution, and stakeholder engagement, all crucial for managing people effectively. Module 3, the process domain. Here, we dive into the nuts and bolts of project execution. We cover integration, scope, schedule, cost, quality, resource, and procurement management, as well as risk management and agile methodologies. Module 4, the business environment domain. We explore how projects align with organizational strategy, compliance, and external environmental factors. Module 5, Exam Preparation and Strategies. In this final section, you'll find exam format details, study tips, practice questions, and strategies for exam day success. Each module is broken down into multiple short videos, practice sessions, and quizzes to reinforce your learning at every step. Next, let's talk about who this course is designed for. Project management practitioners. Whether you're a seasoned project manager or looking to step into the role, this course will provide both a refresher and new insights. Candidates preparing for the PMP exam. If you're planning to take the PMP exam, this course is structured around the latest PMI examination content outline, ensuring you're studying the most relevant and up-to-date material. Professionals seeking career advancement. PMP certification is recognized worldwide as a mark of excellence. If you're aiming for a higher salary, leadership roles, or increased job opportunities, this course will help you build the expertise you need. Anyone interested in project management? Even if your current role doesn't explicitly require PMP certification, understanding these project management principles can enhance your ability to manage projects successfully in any field. Throughout this course, we'll not only build your project management knowledge, but also equip you with actionable strategies to approach the exam with confidence. Whether you're revisiting core concepts or learning new agile methods, our goal is to prepare you comprehensively for PMP exam success. I invite you to join me on this journey. Let's get started and unlock the potential to lead projects and drive organizational success. Stay tuned for our first module, where we lay the groundwork with project management fundamentals. Thank you for choosing this course, and I look forward to guiding you every step of the way.